Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. So in today's video we have something a bit different, something in fact I've never done before. So it's a food video. If you did or did not know, I am a massive foodie, so this is right up my street. So I've seen a few people do it already, like supermarket treats which are Halloween themed, and I'm gonna taste test them for you in today's video. I don't know if people are gonna enjoy this. If you did, please let me know your feedback, because I did want to start incorporating food videos into my channel. But anyways, I've got loads of food things and I'm gonna let you know my feedback on what supermarket I think is best, because Lord knows I've been to a few to try and find these snacks. This is all we have to get through. That was your little sneak peek. So I've actually been to 4 supermarkets for this video, and ASDA actually came out on top. So if you want your Halloween food, go to ASDA. They're so much better than everywhere else. I went to Tesco, I went to Sainsbury's, and I went to Aldi as well, and ASDA definitely came through at the best. The first thing is actually a drink, and I'm going to get this out of the way because I don't want it to go cold. This is from Aldi, and this is like one of the only Halloween things I could find in there. There was some like Jaffa Cake bars, but I thought it's just the packaging. I tried to pick things up that aren't the packaging, they're actually different tasting, rather than just sticking a pumpkin on the packaging. That's what I noticed as well. So many places just stick like a pumpkin on or the word Halloween and it's instantly Halloween. Obviously it's a clever marketing thing, but still. So yeah, anyway, this is a Galaxy Frothy hot chocolate powder thing, and I've never seen this before, so I picked it up just because it's got the ghosts and stuff. I really like the packaging actually, it's really cute, and we love a good hot chocolate, and if it's frothy it makes it all better. Here's the hot chocolate. As you can see, it is pretty frothy. I made it with hot milk because it's just so much better, and also I don't even want to think about the calories I'm consuming in this video. I haven't had much of a breakfast for this video, and this is going to be my lunch, so I'm so excited. Let's taste this. Oh, I haven't had a hot chocolate in so long. It's like the ultimate autumn winter thing, isn't it? That is actually really nice. It's quite frothy as well. I mean, not extremely frothy, like there's just a little bit of froth on top, but it's a good hot chocolate. Let's try these. These are from ASDA. These are the Mr. Kipling Grand High Witches chocolate and vanilla slices. They've got the little roll doll character on. Really cute. I really like the packaging of these, and these are really snazzy. Colouring of these are really good, and look at that, bright green, pretty Halloweeny if you ask me. These are chocolate and vanilla flavour apparently, so I've just ripped one off to try. I really like these. I feel like these are a really good snack. You know, when you were younger I used to have these all the time. I hardly have them now, but they always do limited edition ones of these. Here goes the first snack, ladies and gentlemen. Can't get it out. Proper neon green. Oh my god. They're actually really nice. They are perfect for someone like me. If you love chocolate, get these. These are actually really chocolatey, and they're definitely chocolate and vanilla tasting. They don't even look edible. Do you know what I mean? Like it looks like something you shouldn't be digesting. Probably a 4.5 out of 5, you know. They're actually really nice. I bet the whole thing. Also, shops don't do savoury Halloween things. That is one thing. I didn't see any savoury Halloween themed snacks, so there's a gap in the market for them actually. This is from ASDA. A lot of places actually did these. They're pretty basic, but I didn't think I had a lot until I actually put it all together and realised actually I do have quite a lot of food to try. So I bought this anyway. Absolutely love anything gingerbread, so no doubt I'm really gonna like these. These are just cute for like a little thing to buy your kids or something on Halloween. I know people do Halloween treat baskets, which are really nice. So yeah, I do think it's really sad we're not going to get a proper Halloween this year. Can't go out and kids can't really go trick or treating. Here she is. It's a witch. Pretty basic if you ask me. So ASDA, step your game up. Oh, that's really disappointing. I thought it was going to be soft gingerbread, and instead it's like extremely crunchy. What date is on this? The 1st of January. It tastes out of date already. 1 out of 5. That's a really disappointing gingerbread, if I do say so myself. Next thing I'm going to try is a goo head. I'm pretty sure these are cream eggs. I don't know if they're any different. Don't know if I've ever tried one. I feel like I have. This was from Sainsbury's. This is a full size one. You can get a bag of the mini ones or a box of 5. But I just decided to get one on its own because there's only me trying the food here. I doubt I'll eat the whole thing because these are sickly, especially when I'm eating other things. But I just wanted to see if it was green inside. Oh, it is cream egg chocolate. Cream egg chocolate is just divine. I can't get to the bloody thing in the middle. Still no coloured inside. That's disappointing. I thought it was going to be green on the inside for some strange reason. They're getting a 3 because they do taste really nice, but they're not Halloweeny at all. They've just got Halloween packaging. So leave in the comments your plans for Halloween this year because I'm intrigued. Are you having a party of 6 or will we be on further lockdown? I'm from Nottingham and we might be going on full lockdown, so that's really fun. I'm full up, not gonna lie. We're gonna go for something not as sweet. These saurine bars. Let me know if you like these because I feel like these are such like an underrated snack. When I'm trying to diet, like be healthier, I'll have these as a snack instead of a chocolate bar. I really like the banana ones, and you know how you can get the big loaves? I really like them as well, the fruit loaf, they're really nice. I feel like that's an unusual snack. I feel like a lot of people won't approve of that. I don't know if I've tried these before. I feel like they had these last year. These are the toffee apple mini loaves. These are a really good lunchtime snack, and if you're interested, these are probably the healthiest. These are really cute for like a kid's lunchbox. It's got a little pumpkin apple. Cute. They're actually good. They smell a lot more appley than they actually taste. Not bad if you're not a fan of chocolatey things. Not as sickly sweet either. I'd say it's a 3 again, just because they are pretty basic, but love the packaging and they taste really nice. Just cleansing my palate with the hot chocolate. These are Mr. Kipling again. These are from ASDA. I actually went back to ASDA for the second time for these because I thought they'd do them in other shops or something a bit different, but they didn't. So I thought I'd pick these up, and I love these tart things. So these are Formula 86 chocolate tarts. These are very Halloweeny. So these are green with black sprinkles. I have no idea what these are going to taste like. Never tried a chocolate tart. So let's see. Here's your tart. Here's your chocolate tart. Bright green. I think some chocolate's leaking out, so I'm pretty intrigued for these. I can't get the foil off because of my nails. Oh, I've made a mess. These are so messy to eat, but great for a Halloween buffet. Uh-oh, if you could see my joggers right now, they've got crumbs everywhere. I feel like the chocolate and the icing doesn't go very well, but the chocolate inside is actually really nice. I clearly like it because I'm still eating it. 3.5 I think for these. They're really nice. The icing isn't great, but the chocolate's really nice. And clearly I liked it because I ate half of it, so you could only have one though, they're quite sickly. Last but not least, we have Cadbury's Pumpkin Patch Cakes. These are also from ASDA, so as you can tell, ASDA is the best place to go for your Halloween snacks. 4 chocolate cake with orange coloured cream. Okay, so they're not orange flavoured, they're just orange coloured. These are either going to be really nice or very sickly. Here you go. These aren't the most attractive looking things out of everything we've chosen, but it's still cute if you're having like a Halloween buffet or something like that. So here's my little pumpkin. Cute. And let's give it a go. Oh god, I'm such a messy eater. You know what these taste like? Mini rolls, like literally exactly the same, just the flat version of a mini roll. This isn't orange flavoured, it's just like the cream filling. They're good though, I must say. Just realised I've got crumbs on my lips. Sorry if that's been there for the whole time. Those I'd rate a 4 out of 5. I feel sick, but I think it's because I've ate so much sweet stuff before it. So there's all the Halloween snacks that I could find. Let me know what you thought of my first food video because I quite enjoyed filming it, not gonna lie. Everyone loves a bit of food, am I right? Especially when it's chocolate. I've got the biggest sweet tooth ever. So I really hope you enjoyed. Please let me know down below and leave any comments, like, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye. Let's try these. Upside down. Sickly. Aldi and Tesco. Sainsbury's, Tesco. I feel like I've rated loads of things for free. I haven't. Tart. I need to stop eating. Can't open them. Rolls in what's that noise? They're not very Halloweeny. They are. I've been filming for 25 minutes. How the hell?